So with this update, you can get 5,000 instant funding micro account for free. Okay. Remember, this is a new opportunity that I'm updating you on. So during my research yesterday, I came across this that I have to share with you guys. Okay. So if you're first time watching video on my channel, remember, I do video about free funded account update, deposit bonus update, and many more. You only need to sit back. I'll do the hard work for you by doing the research and I'll let you on them. You have to go there straight and then check on them if you understand and able to perform the tasks that they are requiring. Then you just jump onto them and engage with that particular one. So no stress in it. If you need a free funded account or interested in no deposit bonus, this is your best channel to subscribe to. And don't forget to turn on your notification because most accounts cannot be given to everybody. There are a number allocated that they will give to. So this particular one that I'm going to review, 5,000 account is going to be given to 30 people, and the 60 $50 plus point will be given to another category of people. So there are participation tactics that you must perform. So follow me closely as I dive into this and explain into detail for you. Remember, this video is for educational and entertainment purpose only, and the account that is going to be given is not a real fund or real money. It's a simulated capital. Good, let's get started. So in the Discord of Instant Funding, this was announced on 29th and it's going to last for 5 days. So giveaway topic, help shape 2026. Your feedback matters. So this one, you just have to leave a feedback and then people who are going to be winning will be chosen randomly from the number of people who have leave the review. So we want to hear from you. This year, we try new events, features, and account releases. And your experience will guide what we build next. Okay, so they are just asking you whatever that experience you had with them in 2025, and they are thinking of shaping better in 2026. So and what would make instant funding even better in 2026? Your feedback help us understand and more and deliver the product, tools, and community you actually want. So price that will be given or allocated for this particular uh giveaway is 30 times $5,000 instant funding micro account and 60 $50 plus point. It's a plus point, it's not money. It's a plus point that you can use to purchase an account or add something to it to purchase an account. How to participate? This is what many are waiting for. Send your message in the thread below to participate. So these are the instruction. So instruction, use this template as inspiration for your reply in the thread below. Copy and fill. Okay. So favorite instant finding features, account release in 2025 and why. What you didn't like, what we should improve. So what I'm reading is what you talk about in leaving the feedback, okay? Product rules, support, site, and payout. If you don't like anything about their payout, even delay and all those things, you put that one here. And another one is events giveaway you enjoy most, okay? You can tell them the giveaway you used to enjoy most. What you want more in 2026. Is it giveaway, education tools, account size, discount, or tournaments? Okay. One thing that will make you, if experience, easier or faster. Okay, so we talk about that one. So community feedback, onboarding, clarity of rules, and announcements. Okay, so anything that you think they should do something about, just leave that review there. It's very, very simple to do. Nothing more. Okay, so let's scroll a bit down. Let's scroll a bit down. Good. So shout outs if you want to shout out to someone or their support agents. Anything else we should know? Okay, so ending in 5 days. Okay, this started on 29th, so meaning by 3rd of January, of I think 3rd or 2nd of January, then this will end. And I'm uploading this video on 31st. So you just have to hurry up and go with this. So you can see a lot of people are reacting to this and they even update again. Don't forget to follow the instruction that I read. Make sure you follow every instruction and then perform those taxes, and then you are in. It's very, very simple. It's very, very simple. So to message, just click on this right here. I will share the Discord link in my Telegram group. So to join the Telegram group and get this link, just go down to this video description and join the Telegram group, and you see the link under this post. I post the video in the Telegram as well, so you see. So click on the message here, the trace that is below it. Okay, this is the trace that is below it. You click on it from here. Okay. So when you click on it, then you come to the threshold. Okay, this is where you have to uh, write your message or whatever review you want to write. This is where you write it. Okay, and then that's all. You can type in everything. You can see people writing a lot here. You can also just type whatever you want right here. Okay, so type whatever you want, and that is it. You can see the typing, and then you also send. That's all. You are in. So this is the update that I have for you guys today. If you want me to do video on any particular thing, including forex trading journey and whatever it is, let me know at the comment section, guys. I love you all. Thank you for the support that you have been giving me since from day one. Goodbye and see you tomorrow. Remember, I drop video every single day.